Hey guys, welcome back to Three Generations Restoration. We're at an auction today, as you can see in the background. I'm going to run you guys through real quick what's going to be going up for auction. Kind of not really saying what it is, but kind of just walking through. There's a lot of people here right now, but then when we get to the actual auction, I'll be putting up what the tractor is and how much it sold for and if we get anything. So we're up in Kenosha, Wisconsin. We'll see if we get lucky today, so keep on watching. Here's a Massey 31, Perkins engine in it, diesel. Massey Ferguson 200, I believe this is a work bull, 3-point loader. Massey Harris 44, wide front, does not run though. Little Massey 16. Here's a Massey 44. Looks like it's sat outside for many years. Massey Senior 101. The steering doesn't work at all though. I tried it. Here's a Minneapolis. I couldn't tell you what model this is, but they were restoring it. 44 Wheatland. Engine stuck. 44 wide front, runs good apparently. Farmall M, engine stuck, not too bad. Farmall H, needs carb work, supposedly it runs. Massey Super 90 diesel, big tractor, probably won't bid on that, too big for us. Here's a pretty neat one. A Wallace. Don't see many of these ever, but this one looks like it's pretty too far gone to even restore. Here's a 30, Massey 30. Apparently this one runs. There's a Massey 44 diesel. Not many of these around. This doesn't look like it's ran in a long time. You can see the injectors. Here's a 22 Massey, a 55 and another 22 narrow, so this is one row. So up there is a T20, you can see a McCormick Deering like we got. Looks like a custom Massey. It's got a flathead engine in it. Here's a little Massey, a Ferguson 35 diesel. Here's a Ferguson 65 gasser. Here's a 33 twin power 101 Junior and a 44 there. Got a 333 Massey power steering, and last one we got is an A, Farmall A. So that's everything here. 500. That's a heavy loader. 7. 2607. 2607. Fire. Alrighty. We'll sell you the tractor, then we'll sell the backhoe. Two sheds back there. Alrighty, get on to the man. We've got 2,000 in this one. Two where? 2, 2, 2, 2, to the number 2, 2, 2, to the number 2 where? Hey, where? 2, 2, 2, to the number 2, 2. $1,000. 1,000 where? 1,000 where? Number 1, 1,000 to the 1,000 where? 5, no, 15. I'm going to take a 44. Have a 3 or walk for a ride. Alrighty, you know, I'm going to we've got a couple hundred on this one. Two where? 2, 2, 2, to the project tractor. $200. Hey, where? 2, 2, 2, to the 1, 2, 2, $100. 100 there, quarter there, half, now 75. 150 now, 75. 150 now, 75, 5, 175. 200. 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, 275. 275. 275. Down 3. 275. 3 quarters. 3 quarter now half. Now 75. 375. 374. 375. 4. I'm in straight back. 375, 4, minimum to 4. Sold it straight back, 375, 58's the buyer. 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, half, 150, 75, 2, 175, 2, minimum to 2. 175, 2, where 2, 2,
yes.
2, quarter, 2 quarter, 2 and a half, 2 and a quarter, half, not 1 and a half, 2 and a quarter, 2, 50, 2 and a quarter, 50, minimum to 2, 50.
Yep.
Now 75,
yep.
Now 300, 3, quarter, 3 go quarter, 3 and a quarter. Sold 300 bucks. 100 wear, beats fair, guys, 100 bucks. 100 wear, 100 go quarter, half, down, 150, 175, 175, quarter, half, down, 75, 3, quarter, 3 and a quarter, 350, 3 and a quarter, come on, 350. Hold a few, 3 and a quarter, 120 the buyer, 75, 175, 5, 2, quarter, 2 go quarter, half, 275, 75, 5, 6, 3, quarter, 3 go quarter, number the quarter, 3 to the quarter, number the quarter, 3 go quarter, 3 and a quarter. Sold 300 bucks, 124 quarter, half, 150, 125, 50, number 150,
yep.
175, 175,
yep.
2, quarter, half, 2,
yep.
half, 75,
yep.
3, bit on the 3, just strap a V8 in it, it'll go fast. 3, bit of 3, 275, 3, bit on the 3, bit of 3. Sold a few, 275, 120 buyer, 150 now 2, now 50, 2 and a quarter, 2 quarter, 2 quarter now, half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 250, 2 quarter, 50, 75. 275, 5, 3, quarter. 3 go quarter, 3 go quarter, 3 and a half. 3 and a quarter, 75, 350, 75. 50, 75, 4. 375, 4, quarter. 4 and a quarter, 450. 4 and a quarter, 50, number 454, 75. 450 now, 75. 450 now, 75. 450 now, 75. 475. Sold it your way, 450. 100 quarter, 100
yeah.
Half, 100 quarter now, half down, 150, 125, 50, 75, 150 now, 75, 175, 150 now, 75, 175, 150 to bid, 75, I got it over this way, 150, 175, 150 now, 75, 5 to 175, now 200, 2, bit among the 2, bit among the 2. Now quarter, 2 go quarter, 2 go quarter, 2 go quarter.
Yep.
Now half, 250,
yep.
275, 250 now, 75, 5, 275, 250 now, 75. Sold it there, 250, 58 to buy.
What's it at right now?
2 go quarter. 2 go quarter,
2 and a quarter.
1 quarter, half now,
Was it the one you grabbed that big?
No, it's still got juice. Yeah.
75. 50 now, 75, 5,
Yes.
75, 4, quarter. 4 go quarter, half, 450. Quarter, 50, 454, 75. 450 now, 75, 5, 475. 450 to bid, 75. 450 now, 75, 5. Anybody else? 475. Sold it here, 450, 58 to the buy. 7, 8, 9, 9 now 10. 9 now 10, 9 now 10, 9 now 10, 10, 9 now 10, 10, 10, up at 10, down by the 10, 10, up at 10, 9 now 10, 10, 9 to bid, 10, 950, 9 go 50, now but I'm on the 950, 9 to bid, 50 where, now but I'm on the 59 and a quarter, 9 go, quarter now half, 9 a quarter, 9 and a half, 9 a quarter, 950, 9 a quarter, 50, now but I'm on the 950, 9 a quarter, 50 where, now 75, 975, $1,000. 75, 10, 75, 10, 50, 75, 5. No, you're out. 10, 75, 10, 75. Now 1100. 1100. Works better if you go like this. 1100, 10, 75, 1100, 10, 75, 11. Sold at 10. Quarter, 50, 4, 75, 5 now, quarter. 5 gold, quarter, half, 75, 575. 575, 6 now, quarter. 6 gold, quarter, 6 and a quarter, 6 and a half. 650, 675, 675, 675, 700, 7 and a quarter, 7 gold, quarter, now half, 7 and a quarter, 7 and a half, 7 and a quarter, 7 and a half, 725, 750. Sold you 500 on this one. Massey Harris 30. 5, 6. Final 6. Final 6,
Yes.
6, 6. Final 7. 7, 8, 8. 7, 8. 7, 8. Number 8. 7, 8. 7 and a half. 7 now, half, now, 7 and a quarter. 7 gold, quarter, half, 750. 7 and a quarter, 750. 7 and a quarter, 50 where, 50, 750. 775, 800, 8 and a quarter, 8 gold, quarter, 8 gold, quarter, you're losing the race, 8 and a quarter, 8 gold, quarter, number 8 and a quarter.
I got 2 daughters too.
Sold 800, 1 and a half. 150. Yep. 175. Yep. Now 2. What's it about? 2. Yep. Quarter, half, 250, 275. 250 now, 75, 3. 3, 275, 3. Quarter. 3 go quarter, 3 go quarter, 3 go quarter, another 3 and a quarter. Sold 345, 45. I got 44 there, 45. 6, 7, 46, 7, 8, 9, 48, 9, 48, now 9, number 49. All to look good in Texas, 49. 48, 9, now, but 49.
It is a nice track.
5,000, 51. You're on your own now. I'm done picking on you. 51. 51. 5,000, 51, 1, 51. 51, 1. Anybody else? 51. Change your mind after that big drink? 51. Should have tuned that up more for you. 51. 5,000, 51. Sold it, $5,000. 6 stars. Salt and diesel. 500. 5, 200. Let's go. 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Final 6, Jeff 6. Final 6, 7, 8. 7, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, where'd my Texas man go? 2, 3. It needs a wax job, but it'll get there. 2, 3. 2, 3. Something to do in your spare time. Clean this one up. $300 only. A lot cheaper than the last one. 2, 3. 2 go 3. 2 go 3. 3. Bid them on the 3. 2 go 3. 2 go 3. 3. 2 and a half. 2 go half. 2 and a half. 3. 2 and a half. 3. 3 and a half. 3 go half. Now 350.
Nothing else that needs fuel, eh?
350. 3 quarter. 3 and a quarter.
Where are we going? Oh,
Quarter. 3 and a quarter. Going the other. You said it. 3 and a quarter. Now half. Now 75. 350, 75. Sold at 350. 49's the buyer. And ready. 500. 5 where anybody 5. 2
We'll
go
see what
3.
it goes.
2 go 3. 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's only at 600.
7. You got all your spare time in your hand. Jeff 7, 8. 8. 7 now 8. 8, 9. 8 now 9 now 10.
2
9 now
much.
10 now 10 now 10 now 10 now 10. 11. 10 now 11. 11, 12. 11 now 12. 11 now 12. 11 now 12. 11 now 12. 12. 13. 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. 19,000, 21, 2,000's a bid, 21, gotta go a long way to find another one, 21,
Too bad we
21,
didn't have pallet that had the side shields as opposed to pallet.
23,
Shields.
22, 3, bid of 3, 22, 3, 22, go 3, bid them on the 3, bid them on the 3, 22, bid 3. 22 go 3, 22 go 3, 22 go 3, how about half? 22 and a half. 22 go half, anybody? 22 and a half. So let's get $2,200. Bid them on the 3, 3 by 4. 3 now 4, now 4, now 4, now 4, now 4. 3 now 4. 3 now 4, 4, 4. 3 now 4, 3 now 4, 4, 4. 3 now 4. 2 goes under the little branches this way. 4, 3 go 4, 350, 3 go 50, 50, 50, now on the 350, 3's the mid, 50 now 4, 350, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, middle on the 4, 350, 400, 400, 350, 4, 4, 4, 4, 375, 350 now, 75, 5, 5, 5,
I didn't even try to start this one. Now we're past the next one.
150 now 2, 150 now 2, 2, 2, 175 then. 175, 2. 175, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I got the guy in the black t-shirt at 175, 200. Now quarter. Now we get the race in the right order. That didn't work for enough. 2 quarter. 2 quarter, 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 2 quarter. Oh, now 8, now 9, now 9, now 10, now 10, now 10, now 10, 9, now 10, 9, now 10, 9, now 10, 9, now 10, 10, 10, 9 and a quarter. 9 go quarter, 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 9 and a quarter. Sold it to you, $900. Find out 6, find out 6, find out 6, find out 6, 6, 6, find out 6, 6, 6, 5 quarter, 6 quarter, half, 6 and a half, 650,
Yeah.
75, 700,
Yeah.
7.5 quarter, quarter, half, half, half,
No.
half, 7 and a half, 7 and a quarter, half, 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 now 750, 7 and a quarter, 50 there, 50 there, 750, 7 and a quarter, goes 50 where, heard it run, 750, 7 and a quarter, 750.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now 775, 800.
It's getting too high. Yeah, too high.
$100 worth of wax and it looks like new.
Royalty is 775. There you go, 4, 5. 4 now, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13. 12, 13, 13, number of 13, 12, now 13, number of 13, number of 12, now 13, number of 13. 12 go half. 12 go half, 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 12 and a half. 12 go half, 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 quarter. 12 quarter, 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 12 and a quarter. Sold it to you, $1,200. 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 9, 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8 and a half. 8 go half, half, I mean, you guys are all on. 8 go half. 8 go quarter, that you're good. 8 go quarter. 8 go quarter, don't spit against yourself, I'll help you later. 8 go quarter, 8 go quarter, 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 8 and a quarter. Sold $800. 45 goes 6 square, 6 square. I gotta let you think about it. 46. 46.
Yes.
47. It didn't work. Try it again. 47. 46, 7. Hey Dennis, I can work this hard for you someday too, but 47. 46 now 7. 48. 48, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 47 now 8. 47 now 8, now 8, now 8. How many 8? 47 now 8. I need a little more help. Dennis had a side bet in his mind what was going on here. I need a little help to get there for him. 49, 48, now 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 48, 9, 9, 9, 49. Anybody else? 49? Sold it to you 48. Here we go. Get on the move. Got 500 on the 8. 5, we're 5, 5, 5, 2, 3. 7, 4, 5, 5, 6. 5 now 6, 6, 6. 5 now 6, 5 now 6, 6, 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8. 7 now 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Half. 8 and a half. 9. Half. 9 and a half. 10. 10. 9 and a half. 10. Now half. 10, 50, 10, 50, 50, 50, 50, 10, 50, 50, number of them, 10, 50, 1100, 1150, not no more, 1150. Yep. Now 1200, 1250, 1250, 1250. Why? That's a nice number. 1250, 1250. How about a quarter? Will that help you? 12 and a quarter, 12 and a quarter, 12 quarter, half, 75, 1275. Actually, we haven't won yet. It's only money. They make it every day. 1275. 1275. 1250. 74.
All right, guys. So we ended up buying this 44. This 44. This M. And this H. So we got 4 today. 2 of these run. 2 of them don't. The M is stuck. We got some projects. So I think we did pretty good at the auction. We anticipated buying at least a few, so we got 4. So we got a few trips to make. But stay tuned for these tractors, guys. At 3 Generations Restoration. We got some projects ahead of us. Thanks for watching, guys.